Have you ever wondered how spirituality can truly benefit your health and well-being? Well, you're in the right place because today, we're diving into 9 ways spirituality benefits your health and well-being. Let's explore these benefits together. Let's start with stress reduction. Have you noticed how some people seem calmer even in the face of stress? Often, spirituality plays a significant role. Practices like meditation, prayer, and mindfulness encourage a state of relaxation, reducing cortisol levels, the primary stress hormone. For instance, a study from Harvard Medical School found that meditation can reduce stress significantly, contributing to a calmer and more balanced life. Next up, spirituality is a powerful tool for improving mental health. Numerous studies have shown that people engaged in spiritual practices experience lower rates of depression and anxiety. One notable study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychology found that individuals who practiced spirituality had a stronger sense of purpose and better mental health outcomes. The sense of connection and purpose that spirituality provides acts as a protective buffer against mental health issues. Spirituality also enhances emotional well-being. Connecting with something greater than ourselves fosters emotional stability and resilience. For example, attending religious services or engaging in personal spiritual practices can provide comfort and guidance. A personal anecdote from a friend of mine who turned to spirituality during a tough time in her life highlights how these practices can lead to emotional healing and strength. Believe it or not, spirituality can also improve your physical health. Practices like yoga and meditation not only relax the mind, but also benefit the body. Regular engagement in these activities has been associated with lower blood pressure, improved heart health, and a stronger immune system. A study from the American Journal of Health Promotion highlighted that people who practice spirituality regularly tend to have better overall physical health. Spirituality often emphasizes community and connection, leading to stronger relationships. Being part of a spiritual community provides a support system, promoting feelings of belonging and acceptance. This sense of community is essential for our emotional health and well-being. Think about the bonds formed in groups like churches, meditation groups, or spiritual retreats. These connections are invaluable. Life can be challenging, but spirituality can increase your resilience. Spiritual practices offer a sense of hope and purpose, helping people cope with adversity. A touching example is how many people find strength in their faith during personal crises, such as illness or loss. This resilience is often reflected in a more positive outlook and stronger coping mechanisms. Feeling satisfied with life is crucial for overall well-being, and spirituality can greatly enhance this feeling. Research shows that spiritual individuals often report higher levels of life satisfaction and happiness. This satisfaction comes from a deeper sense of meaning and connection in life. For example, a study in the Journal of Happiness Studies found that spiritual practices are strongly correlated with life satisfaction and well-being. Spirituality also promotes enhanced self-awareness. Through practices like meditation and self-reflection, we gain a better understanding of ourselves. This self-awareness can lead to personal growth, improved decision-making, and a more fulfilling life. Techniques such as journaling, mindfulness, and introspective meditation are powerful tools for this self-discovery journey. Lastly, spirituality often promotes altruism. Many spiritual teachings emphasize compassion, empathy, and helping others. This altruistic mindset benefits those around us and enhances our own sense of purpose and fulfillment. Take, for instance, the countless stories of people inspired by their spirituality to volunteer, donate, or support their communities in meaningful ways. And that wraps up our exploration of how spirituality can transform your health and well-being. We hope you're inspired to explore your spiritual journey. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content. Until next time, stay connected and stay positive.